It's Los. And we about to just reflect for a minute.
Look, yo, I go super hard, nothing less than devoted. I put knowledge in every bar, take a second to note it. I know that things ain't what it seems, it's like blessings is coded. I knew this would be my moment for like the second I wrote it. And yeah, I struggled every day, I got used to the hope. Played tug of war with the world, I was losing my rope. But contrary to what haters would usually hope, when you talk about me now, tell them I used to be broke. Bad for your health with a raw flow. Niggas can't mention rap in my presence unless you a Alpha 3, 2, 1, motherfucker, it's my time. I could write it in the script and sell it. This kind of story, many niggas don't live to tell it. I put my life in his hands like a convicted felon. Victory is mine, climb a mountain, raise my fist and yell it. I wish that I could have this moment a bit longer. In the midst of the momentum gets stronger. But shit hunger, make friends, switch to opponents. Then take the tone of a bitch on you. Keep your chrome on your hip when you bone.